Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to go private on LinkedIn. And this is quite simple. First of all, tap left knee top on your profile picture and from there click on settings. Then go to visibility, and right now you need to do two single steps. The first step is click on profile viewing options and make sure that you click on private mode. Go back, and the other option is go to edit your public profile and make sure that you turn this one off. Now we go back, and right now you have a lot of options for your account. So who can see your connections? Now turn that one off. Let's see, representing your organizations and interests. Now turn that also off. You need to turn every single option off that you don't like, and after that you went private on LinkedIn. Alright, this is the way how you can do this, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.